So first of all, many congrats for grabbing the paid version of Affiliate Booster. I'm Kulwant Nagi, founder of Affiliate Booster, and I personally want to welcome you in this great platform because Affiliate Booster is going to make your affiliate journey very interesting, very exciting, because you will be focused more on creating the content rather than designs. Okay, so here we are going to do a quick overview of this plugin where I'm going to show you that what are the features and how can you fully utilize this plugin for the maximum productivity and for the maximum output. Okay, so here we are at the dashboard of Affiliate Booster plugin, and here you see multiple options. Affiliate Booster, here I have activated my license key. Here we have enable disable block option. Here we have how to use this plugin. So it's very simple. Just upload this plugin, and if you know how to work with Gutenberg, it would be very easier. Otherwise, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this plugin. So if you want to enable or disable any specific blocks, simply go there in this particular option, which is enable disable blocks, and it will redirect you to a dashboard where you will see all of our blocks at one platform. So let's say you want to disable some of the blocks, you don't want to use those blocks inside your articles. Simply come here and you can disable these blocks just by clicking on this button. It's easy peasy, straightforward, right? So this is how you can disable this. So let's jump back into the post editor and see what are the features inside this plugin and how can you use this plugin to make your articles amazing. Let's jump back. So here we are at the Affiliate Booster demo article. There are two options to add our designs. The very first option is you click on this plus button, you go in the browse all, and here you see all of our designs, which are AB pros and cons, AB comparison table, call to action, single product, and all these blocks. So this is the first option. How you do it, simply go there, click your design, and it's here. So now we are going to be familiar with the basic settings of the plugin so that you can play with these settings in all of our blocks. Okay, so first of all, you need to click on this particular design. As soon as you click on this design, you will see the setting here, block, it's activated. If you go there in the journal settings, you can disable or enable various elements. If I click on show title, it's disabled. If I click on this button, subtitle is disabled. If we click on this button, we have the content disabled. So you can enable or disable these elements as per your needs. So here we are going to add one image. I'll click on add image. I'll pick any random image and it's here. Okay, so here you can write your content. Let's say this is an affiliate article where I am promoting a product. Okay, so this is your description of the product. So let me copy this for the ease and let me paste it 2-3 times. So now you see this design is looking amazing. Now the next thing we can do is you simply go there in journal settings. By default, this design is called fixed. You can make it dynamic also. If I click on dynamic, now you will see this dynamic option, and here you can add any of the blocks. You can add an image here. Let's say image. I'll pick the image. I'll add any image. Let's say this image. Okay, this is here. Let's say after this particular image, I want to add anything else. So I'll simply click here and I'll press enter. And now I will add one more block. Let's say star rating. Okay, AB star rating. So now I'll see the stars. I can give them the star ratings, or I can add any of the blocks just by going here. So this option will get activated when you convert it into the dynamic design. If I switch back to the fixed, you will see the fixed design. Okay, this is the difference. Now the next option is external image. If I click on external image, it will give me a box. So in this particular box, you can fetch any image from any platform, from any website, from anywhere. Let's say if I go back to my main website, which is bloggingcage.com, and if I open any article, let's say I want to fetch this particular image. So I'll click on this, right click on this, I'll say copy image address. It's done. I'll come back here, I'll paste this here and you see the image is coming directly from blogging cage, right? So this is how you can fetch the images with the URL also. You can do this same by going on Amazon. So if I open Amazon, let's say I want to promote this particular laptop. So I'll open this laptop, I'll open the image, I'll right click on it, I'll say copy image address, I'll come back in my design, and here in journal settings, I'll just paste this particular link here, and boom, the image is here. So this is how you can fetch the images by using this amazing option. You can change the image width also. So if I go there and reduce the width, you see it's reducing. So it will not go maximum. If I make it maximum, so it's not changing because we have a fixed width in this particular design. But if you want to reduce it, you can. See, it is reducing. Okay. So it will go to a max width, and after that this particular option will not work. We have made it intentionally. Okay. Now let's see the next option. You can add the border type. By default, this is the border type. If I want to make it this type of border, you can do it this type, or whatever. It's all your choice. Border width, I can even reduce the size of my border. You see it is reducing. I can even change the title alignment. So this title is coming in the center right now. I can make it left, I can make it right, I can make it center or wherever. And same I can do for the subtitle. So by default, you are seeing this as the list item. Let's say you want to add a paragraph here. So simply go there in the content type, switch it to the paragraph, and now it is coming in the form of a paragraph. Okay, easy peasy. Okay, so you can write a paragraph here also. Let me copy this and let me paste it here. So now you see these are coming in the form of a paragraph. And this is the same setting, center, right, left, wherever you want to. Coming in the typography, here you can change the typography of anything. You can change the typography of your title, your subtitle, your content or anything. If I come back here in the colors, this is border color. Let's make it red. Let's make it blue. Let's make it yellow. Whatever your choice is, you can do it. And same is for the title color. You can change the title color, subtitle color, content color, box background color. This is amazing option. So if I go there and pick, let's say some light yellowish color, now this is my design. This is looking better now. Spacing, this is an amazing option. So by default, we have added some paddings inside every block. Let's say you want to change the padding. You don't want this spacing here. You don't want this much spacing here, this much spacing here. So simply go there in box padding. First of all, tick on this particular button. So unlink the paddings. Now let's say at the top, I want to add only 10px padding. At the right, 5px. At the bottom, 5px. At the left, 5px. So now you see, it's picking that particular padding. Once all of the paddings are filled, it will pick all of the paddings. So let's say I increase the top padding here 20. You see it has increased. Let's say I increase the right padding. Let's say make it 20. Now you see it has changed. And you can do this as per your needs, as per your choice. Okay, it's all your decision how you want to add the paddings. Here you can change the margin. These are the button settings. Enabled button, disabled button, you can do that. Icon position, yes, we can add an icon here. So if I go there and click on tag icon, I'll pick one icon here. I'll click on this. I'll pick, let's say, this particular icon. Now you see the icon has been added here. Now I can change the position of this particular icon to the left or to the right. It's all my choice where I want to add the icon. Here you can add the button URL. By default, all buttons are no follow. Let's say in this particular button, you want to add a new rel which is called sponsored. So simply put a comma and just write sponsored. Okay. Now you can make this particular button round. You can enable a glimmer effect, and you see now the beautiful glimmer effect is coming. Button size by default is small. You can make it medium, you can make it large, you can make it extra large. It's all your choice. Okay. Text color you can change, border color you can change, background color you can change, or you can even put a gradient. If I click on gradient, you see this is in the nice gradient format. Same I can do for the hover. If I click on hover, I can change it to the gradient, and now you see on the hover this is a different gradient. I can even change the angle of the gradients. If I go there in the normal, here I can change the angle. Let's see. Can you see that? The angle is changing in the button. How many color stops? You see, this is changing. So this is how you can play with the design, and all of the settings are here in front of you, and these settings are everywhere. Wherever you see, wherever you add a new block, let me add a new block. Let's say I want to add a single product pros and cons block. So this is the block. The settings are same. You simply go in general settings. You can change the design. You can change it fixed, dynamic, external image. Okay, let me paste that particular image here. Once again, if I copy this one, copy image address. If I paste it here, you see the image is there. You can add pros and cons, and the settings are almost same. Okay, once you are familiar with one type of settings in one block, the settings are same in almost all of the blocks. Few settings are different in different blocks, but I would say 90% settings are same, right? So this is how you can use Affiliate Booster plugin. And if you feel any problem, if you face any kind of the problem while using the plugin, just go to our support, raise a ticket, and we will get back to you, right? And once again, welcome in the Affiliate Booster community, and I'm very excited to have you on the board. Thank you so much.